Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your offline class. In previous class we have already discussed the chapter of body movements, and the next chapter, that was motion and measurement of distance. There I have clarified all your problems, and as you know, this chapter will come in your term 2 examination. So today I am going to revise one more chapter, that is from your NCERT book Science, that is chapter number 12, Electricity and Circuit. So you have to revise this chapter thoroughly, and whatever subtopic told by me during the online classes, offline classes, just go through these topics. Question will come from these topics only, and question may be come inside books, not from exercise. So just go through the book thoroughly, and if you have any problem you can ask me in the e-portal. Okay. So as we know that we use electricity for so many purposes to make our task easier, and for example we use electricity to operate pumps and lift water from the wells or from ground level to the rooftop tank. Then what are the main purpose for which you use electricity? Okay. As you know that electricity makes it possible to light our homes, roads, office and markets, also factories, even after sunset. Okay. Now these help us continue working at night, and actually where this electricity comes from, what is the main source? That is provided by the power station. Okay. Power station provide us electricity. However, the supply of electricity may fall or it may not be available at the same place. Okay. So in such situation a torch is sometimes used for providing light. Now a torch have bulb that lights up and when it is switched on. Okay, where does the torch get electricity from? Now torch have so many parts. First of all we will discuss about electric cell. So actually electric cell are connected in such a way they will and so the torch get electricity from the electric cell. So electricity to the bulb in a torch is provided by the electric cell, and electric cells are also used in alarm clocks, wristwatch, transistor radios, cameras and so many other devices, electronic devices. Okay, just if you go through an electric cell or battery, you must see that you might have noticed that it has small metal cap on one side and it has a small metal disc in another side. Okay, so and you might also notice there is a positive sign and negative sign marked on the electric cell. The metal cap, that is the positive terminal of the electric cell, and the metal disc, that is the negative terminal of the electric cell. So the positive terminal and positive terminals, they will not conduct electricity. Positive terminal must be connected with a negative terminal to conduct electricity. So an electric cell must have two terminals, that is one positive terminal and one negative terminal. Okay, and electric cell provides electricity from the chemicals stored inside it. So in an electric cell there is some chemicals which are stored in the inside, and they are due to the chemical reaction electric cell actually works. Okay, and when the chemicals in the electric cell are used up, then electric cell stops working. Okay, and stops producing electricity. Okay, so I hope you understood, and as you know, an electric cell has to be replaced with new one when there is such a problem. Now a torch bulb has an outer case of glass that is fixed on metallic base, and now you can see from your book a torch bulb, and that's its inside view also, and there is presence of filament. The filament is mainly made of a metal known as tungsten. Okay, and it has two terminals. There you can see the thin wire that gives off light. They are called filaments of the bulb, and the filament is fixed to two thicker wire, and which also provides support to it, as figure shown in 12.2b. You can see from your book page number 117. Okay, now one of these thick wires is connected to the metal case at the base of the bulb, and the other wire is connected to the metal tip at the center of the base. So the base of the bulb and the metal tip of the base are the two terminals of the bulb. These two terminals are fixed in such a way that they do not touch each other. Okay, and the electric bulbs used at home have the similar design. Okay, So I hope you understood. Now you can easily see a bulb connected to an electric cell. Now when it will glow and when it will not glow, you can easily just depict from the electric circuit, I hope. So I hope you understood up to this. And next comes to electric circuit. Electric circuit provides the complete path of electricity to pass between the two terminals of electric cell, and the bulbs glows only when electric current flows through the circuit. Okay, now sometimes electric bulb does not glow even if it is connected to the cell. This is due to fuse of that bulb. This may happen if the bulb has fused. So we must an electric bulb may fuse due to so many reasons. One reason for bulb to fuse in a break in its filament. Then another reason, a break in its filament of an electric bulb means the break in the path of the current flows through it, okay, between the terminals of the electric cell. So the fused bulb does not light up and no current passes through the filament. Okay, I hope you understood, and these all are very easy. And another important thing of electric circuit, that is electric switch. As you know, electric switch is such a device that connect and break the circuit. Okay, and there is an activity how to make switch at your home. Okay, you can do it with the help of your elders. So I hope you understood. And there are electric conductors and insulator. As you know, conductors which conduct electricity, and or the materials which allow electric current to pass through them, they are called conductors, and materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them, they are called insulator. All metals are conductor, and all non-metals are insulator. There is an exception, a non-metal called graphite, that is a good conductor of electricity. So you have to remember this point. I hope you understood, and if you have any problem, you can tell me in the e-portal and also in the online classes. Okay, so here I have revised the whole chapter of electricity and circuit. I hope you understood, and if you have any problem, you can tell me. Okay students, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.